Hi there. In this video, we will present an overview of Section 5 of Design Tech 301.
And I'll be taking notes. It might be a good idea if you do too.
You will get to make models using 3 different software packages. These will include SketchUp, Revit, and Inventor. You'll draw 2D shapes and then give them volume. You'll learn how to add and subtract shapes, and how to use predefined objects. For Revit and Inventor, you will also learn the basics of adding dimensions to a drawing sheet. Since we use SketchUp as a visualization tool, we won't need dimensions or annotations there. In doing all of this, you will apply what you have already learned as you make new and more complex designs. But we hope that you find the tools to be effective and efficient. That means that making these designs is actually easier than drawing individual views. And that, in turn, means that we can put more attention into design details. In our department, we use SketchUp for quick, conceptual visualizations in the early stages of design development. We have found that it is very good at providing information for the client, especially for architectural and interior design work, and it is very easy to integrate into our virtual reality toolbox. Revit is a BIM tool. That is Building Information Modeling. It is a very powerful tool for architects, construction teams, clients, building operators, and more. It has so much information for all of these stakeholders. So it brings them all together into one tool. Of course, we are going to do a super basic model just so that you can get a taste of how the software works. You'll get a lot more in other classes. You will also find that Revit also integrates directly into 3D for industry-standard construction coordination activities. Inventor models are for mechanical design. They support products that are usually made by machining, welding, punching, casting, and other processes like that. Like Revit, Inventor holds a lot of information in it, so it is a great tool for doing design analysis too. Although many companies use the equivalent software called SolidWorks, we teach the Autodesk Inventor since it is essentially the same. And users can switch back and forth easily.
Cool. Let me summarize from my notes. We are going to use 3 other software packages that are important to the design industries. Each has a specific use. SketchUp as a visualization tool, Revit as a BIM tool for architecture and construction, Inventor as an analysis and manufacturing tool in the mechanical industry. And we are going to do only the very most basic work because we will learn more in later classes.
Yes. You've got it. And there will be a small amount of work in the collaboration portion of this section so that you can extend your knowledge of what other CAD software packages are out there.
All right. And I'll be sure to contact Professor Schuster if I run into any problems early on. Those one-on-one sessions really help when I'm stuck.